Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Zone. To encounter the legendary Kraken, you first need to understand its spawning conditions. It's a random world event that occurs only when no other major world event, like a skull fort or a fleet, is active. Your ship must be in deep, open waters, far from any landmass. This ensures the vast creature has ample space to emerge and challenge your crew. To maximize your chances, it's best to be sailing a ship with at least 2 crew members, though it can sometimes appear for solo players. Keep an eye on the horizon for any active world events, such as a glowing skull cloud or a red tornado, and steer clear of them. The Kraken prefers to ambush ships in the vast, empty stretches of the ocean, so continue sailing in open water for several minutes. When the Kraken decides to strike, the signs are unmistakable. The clear blue ocean around your ship will abruptly transform into a swirling, inky black abyss. Simultaneously, your vessel will come to a complete halt, unable to move forward or backward. Within moments, massive, menacing tentacles will erupt from the darkened waters, signaling the beginning of a fierce battle against the legendary beast. Once the Kraken has appeared, your primary objective is to defeat its attacking tentacles. Aim your cannons and firearms at the tentacles that are actively striking your ship or attempting to grab crew members. Be vigilant in repairing any damage to your hull to avoid sinking. Successfully vanquishing the Kraken will reward your crew with significant loot, including valuable Kraken meat and other treasures, along with a sense of accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.